Today I'm going to do braised dried oysters with mushroom and Fatt Choy. So how do I cook? I'm using La Gourmet Healthy Pressure Cooker. This pressure cooker comes with two pots. One stainless steel pot with a glass lid, one non-stick pot, a double boiling pot, and then this is a ceramic pot that you can do double boil, and these are the extra accessories. New Year, we must have Fatt Choy because we want to have abundance of luck. So here it goes. I will show you how to wash mushrooms. The mushrooms already being soaked. So what you normally do is to add some potato starch. Squeeze it. This is to remove any impurities in the mushrooms that has been soaked. So now I bring it to the sink to wash it and rinse it well. Now the mushrooms are well washed. I'll cut off the stalk. So put it aside, we'll cook later. To begin with, I'm going to do open lid cooking. Add in water. When it is on open lid cooking, let it boil and we're going to scald the broccoli. To scald the broccoli, I will add it in, add a bit of salt, sugar and oil. So let it cook and let the water boil first. La Gourmet pressure cooker comes with two pots. One stainless steel and has a lid, and also one that is non-stick. So for open lid cooking, it is very convenient. You don't have to have so many pots in the kitchen. One, and then you can cook in it. So open lid cooking, you can saute inside, which is so convenient. If you have a pressure cooker at home, you don't need to have other pots. This by itself is very convenient. The water is boiling. I add in all the broccoli. Add a wee pinch of salt, sugar and some oil. This is to make the broccoli have some taste. Don't make it too soft. So here you are, it is ready. I'm going to dish it out. So now I still cook on open lid cooking. Add in sesame oil. I'm going to saute the garlic and the ginger. Once it goes in, dried oysters, mushrooms go in, then I add a bit of water. You're going to braise it. Add in all the seasoning, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce for color, chicken stock, rock sugar, cooking wine. So now I can serve. Close the pot, then press chicken. So it will cook on its own 15 minutes, which is so convenient. This pressure cooker is very safe. It comes with a child lock feature and it cooks on its own. No need to monitor. The dish is done, but before you open, make sure the red pin, it is down. Now I'm going to dish out the ingredients. Mushrooms to one side and the dried oysters which are already being cooked to one side. So you see, using pressure cooker, the oysters are still in good shape. And the next thing I'm going to do is open lid cooking, putting in the abalone as well as the Fatt Choy. So here goes in the juice, the canned juice, abalone, a bit more water, and the rest of it, you add some corn flour as thickening. Now open lid cooking. I close the glass lid Let it boil. Now the sauce is boiling. I add in abalones. Give it a quick stir. Then dish out again to plate. Then in goes the Fatt Choy. Let it boil for a while. Now I can serve. So for Chinese New Year, we have abalone and we have Fatt Choy. So that means prosperity. So today's dish, braised dried oysters with mushroom and Fatt Choy, is done. What a beautiful dish for Chinese New Year.